As a software entrepreneur, you face a critical question. How do you monetize a complex product? Do you sell it as a SaaS subscription? This approach gives you predictable, recurring revenue, but you risk losing customers who demand complete control and data privacy. The alternative is to sell it as a self-hosted, on-premise solution. This gives your customers the control they want, but you sacrifice that predictable income and the ability to push easy updates. It feels like you're forced to make a difficult choice between recurring revenue and customer control. But what if there was a business model that could actually offer both? This is where Odoo comes in. They masterfully solved this exact dilemma with a uniquely hybrid business model. By refusing to choose between SaaS and on-premise, they built a multi-billion-dollar company. Their strategy has become a fascinating case study in flexibility, and it offers a powerful lesson for any software business today. So, how does the Odoo model actually work? It starts with a suite of open-source applications. The core of every app, from CRM to accounting, is published under an open-source license, but the real genius is in its hybrid delivery. Customers have the choice to go on-premise, where they can download either the free community version or the paid enterprise version and run it on their own servers. Or they can opt for a SaaS solution, paying for a fully hosted platform through services like Odoo.sh. This makes it the ultimate hybrid model. It combines the principles of open core with a flexible choice between the convenience of SaaS and the control of an on-premise installation. Let's look at a real-world example. A small business can start with the free Odoo Community Edition to manage their sales and website. As the business grows, they might find they need more advanced accounting features and professional support. At that point, they can seamlessly upgrade to Odoo Enterprise with a simple subscription. There's no need for data migration and no new software to learn, because it's all part of the same unified interface. They get the extra features and peace of mind they need, when they need it. So why does this model work so well? First, the free Community Edition drives massive adoption, attracting millions of users and creating a huge, vibrant ecosystem. This creates a powerful network effect, with a vast marketplace of third-party apps and a global network of partners who extend the platform's capabilities. Finally, the value proposition is crystal clear. The upgrade to the Enterprise Edition is a natural and logical step for any business that needs more power and professional guarantees. The numbers speak for themselves. Odoo has over 12 million users worldwide and a partner network of over 4,650 companies in 130 countries. The company has seen consistent, rapid growth by adding new, integrated apps to its suite year after year. This shows that Odoo isn't just software, it's a global business platform. Of course, no model is without its risks and limitations. The all-in-one approach can sometimes feel overwhelming for very small businesses that only need to solve one specific problem. The line between the features offered in the free Community Edition versus the paid Enterprise Edition can also be a point of friction for some users. Finally, the model's heavy reliance on its partner network for implementation means that the quality of service can vary. From Odoo's perspective, as the creator, the benefits are clear. The model generates predictable, recurring revenue from enterprise subscriptions. The open-source community version acts as a powerful marketing and lead generation engine. And because the partner network handles much of the sales and implementation, Odoo can focus its resources on what it does best: product development. For the client, the value is just as compelling. They can start small and for free, meaning there's no initial investment to get started. They pay as they grow, upgrading only when they need advanced features or support. And most importantly, the open-source nature of the platform means there is no vendor lock-in, giving them ultimate control over their data and their system. So, who is this model really for? It's for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises that are tired of dealing with software fragmentation. It's for companies that want a single source of truth to manage their operations. And it's for entrepreneurs who value flexibility and want to avoid being locked into proprietary ecosystems. In the end, Odoo's success isn't just about its software, it's about the genius of its hybrid model. It proves that you don't have to force your customers to choose between the convenience of SaaS and the control of on-premise. You can offer both. So, for the creators and entrepreneurs watching, if you're building a software business, don't get trapped in the SaaS versus on-premise debate. Instead, ask yourself, how can I offer both? Consider using open source as the bridge to give your users maximum flexibility and control. My mission with this channel is to show that creating free software shouldn't mean sacrifice or commercial failure. You can stay true to your values and make a living. You can build something sustainable, stable, useful. If you stick around, you'll learn how to design a free product that people love and support, to set up a business model that aligns with your principles, to make the right choices for more freedom, clarity, and independence. I share working models, mistakes I've made, and tools I use. And my goal is simple: help you build a free, useful, and viable project. Subscribe, and let's build a future where open source means autonomy and sustainability.